Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the wild world of consumer product. Today, we're diving into the steamy showdown of the century. On my left, we have the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop, the mop that promises to rescue your floors from pet disasters. And on my right, the Bissell Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop, the ultimate cleaning warrior ready to tackle dirt, grime, and possibly your ex's bad decisions. Let's kick things off with the price. The Lift-Off Pet is priced at $144, while the heavy-duty steamer struts in at a slightly higher $175. Reviewers of the Lift-Off Pet appreciate its affordability for the quality it offers, often noting that it provides excellent value given its versatility. In contrast, users of the heavy-duty steamer feel the higher price is justified due to the extensive accessories it comes with, making it a worthwhile investment for serious cleaning jobs. Now let's talk power. The Lift-Off Pet boasts 1,500 watts of cleaning fury, while the heavy-duty steamer is ready to blast away dirt with its high-temperature steam. Reviewers of the Lift-Off Pet admire its ability to clean old linoleum and tile effectively, while those using the heavy-duty steamer commend its performance in tackling tough grime and stains, especially in heavily soiled areas. Both claim to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, making them great options for a deep clean. Next up, versatility. The Lift-Off Pet is a 2-in-1 steam mop, allowing you to clean floors and tackle messes above them. Reviewers highlight its ease of use and versatility, especially when dealing with pet-related messes. Meanwhile, the heavy-duty steamer is a 3-in-1, transforming into an extended reach cleaner and handheld steamer. Users note that it's ideal for a variety of cleaning tasks, although some feel it can be a bit heavy for prolonged use. Both products shine in their ability to handle different cleaning situations. And now for the accessories. The Lift-Off Pet comes with 13 versatile tools, including odor-eliminating fragrance discs, which reviewers appreciate for keeping their homes smelling fresh. On the other hand, the heavy-duty steamer boasts 29 accessories, making it an overachiever in the cleaning department. However, some users have mentioned that while the accessories are numerous, they might not be the most durable, necessitating replacements over time. Both mops are chemical-free and ready to sanitize your space. The heavy-duty steamer has variable steam modes and an on-demand trigger, which reviewers find to be beneficial for tough messes. Users of the Lift-Off Pet enjoy its straightforward operation, making it a favorite for quick cleanups. Some users of the heavy-duty steamer have noted that it can produce steam in bursts, which may require a bit of adjustment, while the Lift-Off Pet is praised for its consistent performance. Overall, reviewers express strong satisfaction with both steam mops. The Lift-Off Pet is favored for its effectiveness in pet-related cleaning and versatility, while the heavy-duty steamer is preferred for its power and extensive cleaning capabilities. Each product has its strengths, catering to different cleaning needs. So which mop should you take home? If you're a pet parent looking for a versatile cleaner that's easy to use and smells nice, the Lift-Off Pet might just be your new best friend. But if you want the cleaning powerhouse that can tackle the toughest messes and has more accessories than a Swiss Army knife, the heavy-duty steamer is your go-to. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.